In this video, we'll be doing a gentle morning flow. Welcome to my channel, Yoga with May. I'm May. Let's get to our mat. So for this gentle flow, we're going to come into a reclined butterfly pose. So you're going to come onto your elbows, lay down, and then you're going to bring the soles of your feet together. And you can either rest your hands on your belly or alongside your body, spreading the knees wide, drawing the shoulder blades down towards your hips, and begin to gently close the eyes if you haven't already, and bringing all that focus and attention to your internal space, feeling into your body, any sensations running in the arms and the legs, feeling that gentle opening up in the hips. And begin to breathe with intention, breathing deeper, breathing with awareness of where the breath is moving, and exhaling with intention of relaxing the body. If your knees are, if you feel a lot of pressure in the inner thighs, if you feel a lot of tension around the hips, you can always place a bolster or a block underneath your legs to bring them a little bit higher. But we won't be here for long, so taking 2 more breaths. Just enjoying this moment here before we continue. Gently opening up the eyes. You're going to bring your knees into your chest and give yourself a little squeeze, and rocking from side to side. Just massaging the lower back. And then we're going to take the knees in a circle. So you're going to hold onto the top of the knees and imagine that you're drawing a circle on the ceiling with your knees. Keep your knees together, keep your feet together, and make sure that your lower back and your sacrum is grounded to the floor. Change direction, moving at your own pace, no overstretching, no overtensing. And then we're going to straighten out the right leg, pull the left leg into your chest. Take a deep breath as you pull that knee a little bit further, and then we're going to rotate into the left ankle. I like to do 5 circles in each direction, at least. And then we're going to bring the right knee up, and we're just going to place the right knee behind. So we're just crossing the top leg, left leg, over the bottom, and then we're going to pull our legs in. So hold on to wherever you can. If you can't hold on to your knees, you're going to hold underneath your legs. And you can pull towards you with your hands. And you're going to try ground your sit bones. So don't pull too hard that your lower back comes off the floor. Keep your lower back grounded. Keep your neck drawing in towards your chest. Another breath here. And then we'll change. So right knee into your chest, left leg extending, pushing into the left heel, and rotating in the right ankle. All the while breathing deeply in through the nose, out through the nose. Let's change direction in the ankle. And then we'll place the right knee on top of the left. And then again, pulling and drawing in, anchoring into the lower back, anchoring the hips down into the floor, and you'll feel that beautiful stretch running through the lower back, through the glutes, the back of the leg, where most people are very tight because they're sitting all the time, and then both knees into your chest. Very good for the abdominal digestive system, putting some pressure into the abdomen. And then we're just going to roll over onto our side, press yourself up, and we'll come to Sukhasana easy pose. Bring your hands to heart center, feels good. And then just bowing towards your center, honoring your own self and your practice. Well done. And thank you so much for joining me here on Yoga with May. Please check out my next videos, like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.